Imagination is the bridge between where you are now and where you wish to be. It is the ultimate creative force because it allows you to experience in consciousness a reality that has not yet taken physical form. And by experiencing it inwardly, you give it the power to materialize outwardly. You are not at the mercy of the world around you, you are the creator of it. It is not enough to simply desire something. Desires in themselves are passive, fleeting, and often vague. But to consciously assume a desire is to take hold of it with a sense of certainty, to live and act as though it is already fulfilled. This is where the power lies, in assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled with full conviction. You are no longer hoping for it to happen, you are claiming it as already done. When you consciously assume your desire, you are making a deliberate decision to embody the state of being where your wish is already realized. You shift from wanting to having, from dreaming to experiencing. This shift in consciousness is what draws the desired outcome into your reality. Your inner state changes first, and the outer world must follow suit, because your external circumstances are always a reflection of your internal state. To consciously assume your desire means that you must become so absorbed in the feeling of its fulfillment that it begins to feel natural to you. This is more than just visualization or affirmation, it is about truly inhabiting the state of your desire. You must think, speak, and act from the standpoint of already having what you seek. It is the assumption of the role not as a mere act of pretense, but as an internal truth that reshapes your reality. This process works because the subconscious mind responds not to what is true, but to what you believe to be true. When you consistently assume the feeling of your desire being fulfilled, your subconscious mind accepts this as fact, and the creative power of the universe moves to align your outer world with your inner assumption. It is the feeling of certainty of already possessing your desire that fuels this transformation. Conscious assumption is different from idle wishing or hoping. Wishing implies that you are separated from your desire, that it is something distant, something you are yearning for but do not yet possess. Hoping carries with it a sense of uncertainty, a possibility that it may or may not happen. But assumption leaves no room for doubt. When you consciously assume your desire, you are stepping into the version of yourself that already has it. You are no longer focused on the absence of the desire, but on its presence within you. The beauty of conscious assumption is that it bypasses the need for external validation or proof. You do not need to see signs in the outer world to confirm that your desire is on its way. Instead, you cultivate an unwavering inner knowing, a conviction that your assumption is already a reality. As you persist in this inner state, the outer conditions will inevitably change to match it. Assuming your desires is not a passive process. It requires discipline, focus, and emotional investment. You must be vigilant about where you allow your thoughts and feelings to dwell. If you allow doubt, fear, or impatience to creep in, you weaken your assumption. But when you consistently return to the feeling of already having what you desire, you strengthen the creative power of your assumption. Your state of mind defines your experience of truth that underscores the idea that the reality you encounter daily is a direct reflection of the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions you consistently hold within. Your state of mind is the lens through which you perceive the world, and it acts as a magnet, drawing experiences, people, and events that resonate with your internal vibration. Change your state of mind, and you change the quality of your life. The outer world, then, is nothing more than a mirror reflecting the contents of your inner world. What does this mean practically? It means that if you are living in a state of fear, worry, or lack, you will see these qualities mirrored in your relationships, finances, health, and daily encounters. Your external circumstances will seem to confirm what you believe deep within. But the truth is that these circumstances are born out of your inner state. Your state of mind is the fertile ground from which all your experiences grow. The world you experience is not something happening to you, but something happening through you. Every moment your state of mind is transmitting a signal, one that either aligns with abundance, joy, and success, or with struggle, limitation, and dissatisfaction. It is your thoughts, emotions, and expectations that set the tone for what you attract into your life. If you think from a place of negativity or limitation, that is exactly what you will experience in return. On the other hand, when your state of mind is elevated, when you dwell in thoughts of confidence, fulfillment, and peace, the world will mirror back to you those same qualities. This is why it is vital to be mindful of where you allow your thoughts and feelings to settle. Your habitual state of mind forms a pattern that shapes your experiences. If you consistently find yourself in a state of doubt or resentment, the world will reflect back to you situations that reinforce those feelings. If you habitually live in a state of gratitude and self-assurance, the world will respond in kind, providing you with opportunities, people, and events that affirm your positive outlook. Your state of mind is like the setting of a radio dial. When you are tuned into a particular frequency, you will receive the corresponding broadcast. Likewise, the universe responds to the frequency of your thoughts and feelings, aligning the events of your life with the state of mind you maintain. The reality you live in is not fixed but fluid, constantly shaped and reshaped by your internal dialogue and emotional state.